Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you thinking of diving into the world of photography but aren't sure which camera to start with? Today we're here to help. We'll be looking at the top DSLR cameras for beginners. These are cameras that combine ease of use with impressive features, helping you capture great photos while learning the essentials. Ready to find the perfect DSLR to start your photography journey? Let's get started. 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7. Our first pick is the Canon EOS Rebel T7. This entry-level DSLR is incredibly user-friendly, making it a top choice for beginners. With a 24.1 megapixel sensor and the ability to shoot in full HD, it's perfect for anyone starting with both photography and videography. The Canon T7 comes with a guided display mode that helps new users learn the settings. It's currently available with an 18 to 55 millimeter lens, making it a great value package for under $500. 2. Nikon D3500. Next up is the Nikon D3500, another ideal camera for beginners. It offers a 24.2 megapixel sensor, high-quality images, and an impressive battery life, allowing you to shoot for hours without interruption. The D3500 has a lightweight and compact body, perfect for travel or on-the-go photography. One standout feature is the Nikon Snap Bridge, which allows you to easily transfer photos to your smartphone. Priced under $600, it's an excellent value for budding photographers. 3. Canon EOS Rebel SL. The Canon EOS Rebel SL. 3 is our third pick. Known for its lightweight design, the SL3 also comes with Canon's renowned dual-pixel autofocus and a fully articulating touchscreen, which is great for vlogging and selfie photography. It can shoot in 4K and has a 24.1 megapixel sensor, making it versatile for both photos and videos. At around $650, the SL3 provides advanced features without overwhelming a new photographer. Fourth on our list is the Pentax K70, a beginner-friendly DSLR with an impressive weather-sealed body, making it perfect for outdoor photography. It offers a 24.2 megapixel sensor and in-body image stabilization, something rare at this price point. The K70 is known for delivering vibrant images and comes with advanced features, like a high ISO range, making it great for low-light photography. Available for around $700, it's a great option if you want to explore landscape or adventure photography. 5. Nikon D5600. Our final recommendation is the Nikon D5600. This camera combines beginner-friendly features with more advanced options that allow for growth as you develop your skills. It features a 24.2 megapixel sensor, a responsive touchscreen, and Nikon's Snap Bridge technology for seamless sharing. The D5600 also has a wide range of compatible lenses, giving you room to experiment with different types of photography. Priced around $700 with a kit lens, it's an excellent choice if you're serious about learning photography. And there you have it, our top 5 DSLR cameras for photography beginners. Whether you're looking for simplicity, advanced features, or budget friendliness, these cameras are perfect options to start your photography journey. Have you tried any of these? Or do you have another beginner camera that you recommend? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and photography tips. Thanks for watching and happy shooting!